Little Eagle was practicing his flying while Mom and Dad Eagle were out shopping for worms. Okay, here I go. 1, 2, 3. Oh boy, boink. Okay, that hurt. I'm going to try it again. So Little Eagle climbed up the nest, all the way to his cozy nest, and tried it again. All right, this time I'm going to do it. 1, 2, 3. And he started to flap one wing, but woohoo, boink. Didn't quite make it. Ouch. I think that hurt worse than the first one. Psst. Who said that? Psst. Over here, it's me. What's your name and where did you come from? My name is Theo, and I can teach you how to fly. Really? Oh yeah, let's go up the nest and we'll try it again. All right now, you just need to flap both wings, kid. Theo was determined to help Little Eagle learn how to fly. Okay, so both of the wings go down, and then they go up, and then they go back down, and then they go up. Are you ready to give it a try? Sure, I'm ready. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Little Eagle was doing it. He started with one wing, but then he remembered. Both wings, flap both wings, up and down, and up and down, and up and down, and up and down. And he was flying. Little Eagle was flying. Whee! I can do it. Look at me, Theo. I can do it. Yippee! Suddenly, a strong wind blew and took Theo and the nest along with him. Oh no, Theo is gone. The nest blew away. I need to go rescue Theo. Soon, Little Eagle was forgetting how to fly. Oh no, flap the wings, up and down, I can do it. I'm coming to rescue you, Theo. Little Eagle was a little clumsy at first, but he kept remembering flying his wings up and down. Theo, where are you? He was determined to find his new friend. Theo! He flew all over the forest that afternoon. Suddenly, he heard some rustling in the bushes below. I'm coming, Theo! I'm coming to save you! Hey, there you are! Theo, are you okay? I've been looking everywhere for you. Oh man, you found me. Thanks for rescuing me. That wind was horrible. You bet. Thanks for teaching me how to fly. Let's go back home. So the two friends flew all the way back home. Hi guys. Today we're going over the combination of TH. It has two sounds. A light and airy sound, as in thimble, thirsty, and a heavy sound, where your voice can be heard, and it tickles, as in the end. Oh, hello, it's me, Ellie. And you know that today we're going over the combination of TH, which can have a light and breathy sound, as in the tongue out and the air blowing, as in thirsty and thimble. And then we can also have the heavier version, which you can hear your voice, and I have notes there, as in the end. Okay, but it's not quite the end. So I have the light and airy version written skinny, like and then flip it over, and I have the heavy version for th. All right, these are our training wheels to help you. Okay, so when you practice riding them, you can have a thin side and a thicker side as your training wheels to remind you. Okay, so here's our airy side over here with the thinner letters, and here's our voicey side, the heavy side over here. And then you just get out a dark marker, a washable one, or wipe off. Start at the top, go down, cross over, start at the top, up and over. There's our breathy. All right, and then we're going to go to the heavier one. Start at the top, go down and over. Start at the top, up and over. And there's our heavy. Ooh, it tickles my tongue. And then there's the bottom one, which is a capital T, a big T, little H. Those are for the names of people, places, so you can practice those too. A thin and breathy sound, and then a heavy, as in the end. Voila! Oh, hello there. It's me, Ellie. Okay, then. I have before me 3 crayons. 1, 2, 3. And the number 3. Oh, yes. Now listen with your ears. Do we say the breathy TH, which says for 3? Or do we say the one with the voice that tickles your tongue? The re. Which one do we say? 3 or the re? That one really tickles. If you said the breathy one, for 3, you are right. Good job. Oh, Jerome, I want you to help me choose a hat today, okay? Oh, okay, Ellie. Where are your hats? Oh, I see some. I'll go get one. Oh, boy, this is a hard one. Okay, let's see. Oh, boy, I don't like that one. That. No, not that one. Okay, Jerome, how about this one? Let's try this one on. It's a green one. What do you think? Pretty snazzy? Oh, I don't know, Ellie. Let's see. That's one of this. I don't like that one either. It's a little over the top, Ellie. Okay, Jerome, how about this one? Yeah, I like that one on that girl. Oh, thank you, Jerome. Hey guys, it's time for letter art. Oh yeah. Okay, so we're gonna draw Little Eagle's friend today. And his name, you remember, is Theo. Okay, he's the TH with the air, with your tongue sticking out and the air coming out. That's what we're going to do. So go ahead and get a dark marker. All right, and we're going to draw a loop and a little zigzag for the neck. Okay, let's give him some hair up there, some feathers. That's really important. Okay, and a curve and a V for the beak. He looks a little different, and he's got 2 eyes that are kind of close together. Okay, and then just another little loop. Good, and then some little wings on each side. And then the other side. And then some little feet. Just some little short lines, and then some little toes on the other side. Good. And then you could give them some textures. Then maybe a little bit on the feathers, on the wings. Okay, and then you can color him. He's brown except for the head. Okay, good job. Keep going. Okay, remember, it doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, and then maybe get an orange for the beak and the feet. Okay, there's Theo. Yeah, good job. Okay, guys, just a little review here. You remember our E for egg and E for eagle? Remember my dance? E for egg and E for eagle. Okay, well, anyway, we are going to have to say the end, like at the end of a story. Don't forget our list. It comes right after this. You can take a picture of it. Okay, so do we say the end or the end? Which one? Listen with your ears. Is it the breathy one, the end, or is it the heavy voice one, the end? If you pick the voice one, you're right. Do we say the? No. We say the end. And don't forget our list.